good funded trader. Okay, okay. Let's have that move right there. The Chinese market will have to come and collect the price side liquidity above that resistance level before the market would drop massively. Okay, but yeah, for now, market is going to be consolidating in that zone right there. Just know it will take some time before it can break outside that zone right there, because there's a lot of liquidity which has been generated above there. This was a massive liquidity right below there, and we expect to see the same before going in for those sales below here. Yes, good morning traders, how is everyone doing? How are you guys doing? Okay, expecting that liquidity strip above there. Liquidity. After that liquidity sweep happens, then I'll be expecting those massive sales, and probably there will be enough drive for the market to come and break that support level right there. Okay, but for now, yeah, as you always know, liquidity is always formed uh, above those highs and lows. So yeah, let's have it. Guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and like the stream. Okay, that consolidation yeah, is still massive. So I'm looking for uh, taking shots on gold. Looking to take shots on gold. Yo Eddie, how are you doing? What's up, brother? Guys, how is everyone? It's a Thursday, and yeah, back to the charts. It's been a while since I've been live streaming. My internet hasn't been the best, but yeah, I'm trying to be around, guys. Market is still rejecting that resistance level right there. Let's see what happens. I've been waiting on that setup since what was the time actually? It was like at when was it? I watched this move trying to play out, but I was so patient, like seriously. It was like 9, yeah, at 9 p.m. That's when I was trying to wait for that move to happen. You always need to be patient, wait for your setups to show the results. I waited from 9, midnight reached, and here I am still waiting, haven't entered the trade, being so patient to wait for my setup to show itself, and I'll execute without regrets. We are on gold. If you just joined, we are on gold. I'm looking for the market to strip liquidity above there. Probably that's when the market will have enough liquidity to drop and break at this point of interest. Then I'll be looking for those sales. Take the shots. What's your bias? What's your bias? Let me know in the comment section. What are you looking for? What's your bias, guys? If you're looking at gold, what's your bias as well? Are you looking to take shots, or you're looking to, or you're neutral? You can let me know. Anyone looking for buys, let me know in the comment section, and why you are having that bias. But yeah, so reasons, I'll let you guys know reasons why I'm looking for the sales. Is because of my personal strategy, and I'll go through it a little bit. Okay, so if you've been watching me for a while, you know I have my personal entry model, and it's the 5-minute market structure shift, the STF entry model. That's my personal strategy in the forex market. So if you check very well, we had that 5-minute market structure shift right there. It happened right there. That's the first sign for my setup to be even considered a setup for me. Otherwise, if that doesn't happen, then oh man, I'll just sit and do the waiting game. Okay, so after I get that 5-minute market structure shift right there, actually let me first mark. I think I have a very low right here, and I need to mark it in case market comes and creates a new break of structure. My setup will be invalidated. I won't be looking for sales anymore. The bias will change. The bias will definitely change without questions. My strategy has rules which invalidate the setup, and it would have rules which will validate the setup. Okay, step by step. If one rule is broken, what would I be doing in the markets anyways? Okay, if one rule is broken, that's it. I wait for another setup. Okay, so like I was saying, if I get that 5-minute market structure shift, what do I do next? I make sure the higher time frame. I make sure I know the higher time frame bias. I make sure I know the higher time frame bias. And if you check very well, we are on that bearish run. Okay, and we should be expecting more sales, because when you check very well, you see a series of small high highs, lower lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs being formed. Boom, bam, boom, bada, bam, boom. So we are in some kind of a small pullback here, and we're expecting the market to continue selling until this support level right here, which has been which has been which has been it had been respected by the market for some time. Okay, so expecting the market to come until that level right there. Okay, that's the bias on the higher time frame. So what else? What else? I dropped to the 1 minute. Guys, drop a like on the video and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Okay. Okay, I think we had that break above. Exactly what I was waiting for. Let's see, would that be a liquidity sweep or it would be a run above? It can go as far as it wants to anyways. I'm not limiting this entry here. To only get a liquidity sweep above there, then I'll be looking for the sales anyway. The setup is still valid. Why? Because I'm still in that the oh man, what's happening? The 1 minute, the 1 minute market structure shift hasn't been formed, but so far so good. I'm seeing that run into the liquidity, and we are seeing those sellers trying to push the market below. If that happens, means the bias is correct. Let's see if market will push inside massively. Market will push inside massively. I think we are having that confirmation that liquidity has been swept above there. Let's see how these candles are going to close. If they do close here, it means it has been confirmed exactly what I was expecting. Okay, if market comes and breaks below this, but if it doesn't for now, it's okay. The setup is still valid anyways. My setup will still be valid, not until it will break the 5 minute break of create a new break of structure on the 5 minute. But for now, we are still waiting for the break of this support right here, because I was waiting for a run of liquidity above there, and it seems to be happening, which is a good thing, because market would have broken this structure, but it didn't manage to, because I guess the momentum wasn't that strong. So market need to go back, collect more liquidity. If it's to do what? To break, continue selling, it will come and get more momentum. Okay, probably here, if this isn't enough, you continue collecting more liquidity. Okay, that's also a possible thing. Possible thing. There's also liquidity above there, which has been collected. If you check very well, okay, liquidity has also been swept above there. Can you see? Just like that. Okay. If this isn't enough, market just continue. Probably the trend will just change to bullish, or else we get a good number of liquidity sweeping, then we get ourselves let's see the result of rejections along this level here. It's a good sign, a good sign. It's a good sign. Let's go. Let's check on the 5 minute what we have. What we have on the 5 minute. Okay, strong buys. We have this trend line here. Okay, we have some kind of a trend line right there. Boom, bada bam, boom, somewhere there. Is market trying to collect liquidity above the trend line before it can sell off? That's also possible. It happens. Those traders who trade trend lines can testify. Market will always come collect liquidity on the trend line before it can show the true buyers. Something like that. Boom. That happens as well sometimes. That happens. Okay. Let me zoom out so you can see very well how I've drawn the trend line. Okay, market might come and collect liquidity above the trend line there. Boom, barabam, boom. Okay, just like that. That's the 5 minute. So I'm waiting on the 1 minute. That's where my setup has reached. Currently, it's waiting on the 1 minute. Everything on the 5 minute doesn't concern me. Not until I get a new break of structure, then the setup is invalidated. But for now, still waiting. Let's see what happens. Guys, remember to subscribe, okay, and support this channel. I'm trying to grow this channel, okay, to be one of the biggest channels in yeah, in East Africa, I must say. Yeah, support your trader. Okay, let's do it. You just need to subscribe and like my streams. Hello there, Satawa. Sai, how are you doing? How are you doing, brother? Welcome to the stream, and let me hope you're having a nice and a happy trading. Okay, guys, subscribe, please. I want to grow this channel. Previously, it was a gaming channel, and right now I'm more interested in doing trading. It's my hobby. I love it. Okay. I love trading, so I'd love to be also doing content on trading. Reason I've transformed my channel to a trading channel. Okay, so yeah, support this channel. Let's grow this community. Let's grow this community together, and there we share the journeys together, and everything. So far so good. The channel is promising. We're always getting good number of views on these streams, and yeah, I appreciate your support, guys. You guys are the best. I appreciate. and I think also consistency also matters, so I'll try to deliver. Okay. I will try to deliver. Okay. So okay, this we are getting more run to the upside. It seems the liquidity which is being swept along these levels isn't enough to continue pushing the market below. The liquidity isn't enough. Like, yeah. Otherwise, we would have had that massive drop. That's why, actually, that's why it's always good you follow your rules, all your rules. I'm telling you. Imagine, okay? Imagine if I had entered for a sale here. Imagine if I had entered for a sale right there. Put my stop loss above this protected high right there. I would have got stopped out long time. But since I have well thought rules, okay, this was just a liquidity strip right there below here. If it was a break below, then oh man, I would be definitely entering this trade without questions. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and support the channel. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I see you guys are subscribing and following the channel. Thank you so much. We are growing. We are growing. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. Let me see us liking the stream. Let's also drop those likes. Okay. So like I was saying, what was I even talking about anyways? Okay, I forgot. Okay, it's okay. Let's just explain something else. Okay, I was talking about rules. Following your rules. My rules say if I don't get that 1 minute market structure shift, I won't be going to the next step. Okay, after I get that 1 minute market structure shift, something of this sort. Boom, barabam, boom, boom, boom. That's the entry model right there. That's my entry model right there. And I'll be looking for shorts. If I don't see that on the 1 minute, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. I don't mind waiting because in trading I have a 3 years experience. Okay, what does that mean? It means my patience level is up there. My patience level is up there, guys. You just know. 3 years is not so easy, man. Day in, day out. I've been watching the markets every day for 3 years. Even though not specifically Forex, but trading, watching the charts. When I began trading, uh, I began with binary options. I began by doing binary options. So I've been watching these charts, man. But yeah, in a Forex, I decided to look in Forex. I've taken like probably like 1 year and a half now. Yeah, so my patience level is above there. You just know, you just know. Okay, so market's still running those buys. So other traders would be taking short-term buys when you get these high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows. These small movements, someone being taking those small buys. Okay, and boom, 1 to 2, and you're out. Okay, when you get that confirmation that buyers are stepping into the market, probably put your stop loss below there. Target you like 1 to 2. Boom, easy peasy. Okay, but I have a strategy, so I need to follow it. I would just enter in random entries only for it to get stopped out, and then I begin regretting. What do we have here? What do we have? Let's see what are we having. Guys, remember this is gold. This is gold. My buyers currently, I'm looking for sales. That's my buyers currently. Still looking for those sales. After I get a break below here, that's when I'm going to be looking for an entry. But by the look of things, I see the market wants to collect more liquidity, and it's it had already generated the liquidity. Okay, these movements here. Now it's going back, ship those liquidities probably before it can, boom, massive drop right there. Before we can get that massive drop. Before we can get that massive drop right there, because like when I checked in the high time frame, we saw we have a trend line right there which was formed. There's some kind of a trend line which was formed. When you check on the 5 minute, even in 1 minute you can see it, but it's more clear when you check on the 5 minute. By the way, this month here, guys, I'm going to be so locked in, live streaming every day. Make sure you subscribe and turn your post notifications on. I'm going to be executing my strategy, only my strategy, nothing else, nothing else, nothing else. I'll definitely want to share with you guys how my strategy works. If we are lucky enough, I would be getting entries live and you'll be watching me execute my strategy live. Okay, this is the waiting game now. This is where you know actually trading is not all about the strategy alone. It's also about you yourself, the psychology part of you. How are you going to implement that patience? Guys, drop a like, drop a like. I think we are having a lot of good views, but no likes yet. Oh man, what are we doing? Let's get those likes up. Let's get those likes up. Okay, guys, let's like the stream. We have 0 likes. Like seriously, not looking good. We have 0 likes. You see right there, monetization is off. Why? Why is that so? Why is that so? What happened? Let me try to edit something here. I see monetization is off. Why? Forex shorts right there. Boom, boom, bada bam, boom. Why is the monetization off? Let me try to change it. Monetization here, and it shows it's on. Oh, now monetization is on. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Back to the charts. Back to the charts, guys. Still looking uh, for those sales on gold. How is everyone doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Okay. I appreciate everyone's support. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. Okay. Okay, I see. We had. Would I consider this as a structure shift right here, so that we can get those sellers stepping into the market? Because this is exactly what I was waiting for. Let's see, as have sellers stepped into the market, because this pullback was a bit massive, and probably I will assume the big K has been swept above that small high right there, expecting those sellers to drop, boom, like that, so we can get our entry. So we can get that massive entry. Okay. So my buyers, I'm selling. I'm looking to sell gold. Let's see, is the market going to reject at this small support level, or it's going to break through? Let's see if it's going to break through. This is a gold. Actually, I'm on the 1 minute right now. I will definitely edit this. This is gold on the 1 minute, so I don't confuse you guys. Okay, it's happening. It's happening. I will adjust this. Yeah, this was some kind of a market structure shift right there. It's a fractal one, not on the 1 minute. It's a fractal market structure shift right there. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, guys. Oh man, sellers are in the market. That's exactly what I'm looking for, and I think, yeah, market might have collected enough liquidity. Boom, 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 bada bam, boom, boom. That would be awesome, awesome stuff. See, guys, what's your bias on gold? Would you mind sharing your bias on gold? Let me know, please. Okay, let's judge. What's your bias on gold? I personally am looking for sales. Okay, I'm looking for those sales. How about you? I'm looking for sales. Okay, I think I will adjust this. Market just going through it. Okay. my entry will be below this side. Okay, so I don't want to confuse you guys. So this is where my entry will be. My entry will be below there. Okay, below this side entry. This is my entry POI. Okay, my entry point of interest. So you know. So you know. Let me reduce the text size, probably 16. Oh, isn't that too small? Uh, oh man, I think it should be somewhere around 24. Not so bad. Is it visible? Hope this is visible. I can put it somewhere here. Probably Okay, make it more lighter. Oh wow, that's a nice run. That's a nice run right there. We also have that the market might have some reaction right there, unless if the liquidity which was swept above there it's enough, market will just run through. Okay, market will just run through, boom, and drop. Seriously, it will be awesome. It will be awesome. Like seriously, that's exactly what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I want market to come and break and close below that demand zone right there. It wouldn't be a demand zone per se, it can be a support level. Okay, yeah, yeah, we can call that a support level. Please guys, welcome the stream. Yeah, looking for the sales on gold. That's my bias. Looking for sales on gold. Okay, I'm waiting for a break below this support level before I can look for that entry. Okay, actually you might get an entry, but now you have a challenge of where to put your stop loss. That's also another thing. Reason market. That's why actually, in simple terms, trading is all about experience. I swear, trading is all about experience. That's why it's not. It wouldn't even make sense for someone new in trading to begin doing. How do I call it? Mm, 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 for someone in trading, for someone who has just been a few, who has just been in the market for a few months, to execute and take trades mm, with low experience, and they would stay for long. It's not really possible. Like seriously, this is an experience game. Only the experienced can really make it out here. Okay, it's experience versus every other thing. Definitely, definitely, definitely. Okay, this actually would be nice. You know why? This would be nice because uh, if market gives me uh, that protected high right there, which I can use for my stop loss, it will be very very nice. Okay, it would be very nice if market now, like what the market is doing right now, and gives me something like this, a pullback. Okay, before it can break below, you get that, then it gives me another pullback, you get, then I will be capitalizing on that pullback, whereby I'm going to be having my entry right there, boom, stop loss. Stop loss will be above the protected high right there. Okay, then boom, I'll be targeting down, down. I'll be going in for those sales. Yes, market is creating that level for me to use as my stop loss. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. It would be even more nicer it comes and makes a pullback here before it can break below, okay, that would be even more nicer, if I might say. Okay. Welcome to the stream. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Entry point of interest. Oh my god. Oh man. What do we have here? What's the analysis? Okay, 104 views currently. Guys, welcome to the stream. Remember to subscribe and like the stream. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Let's get that break below. Boom. That's what I'm looking for before I can look for entries on gold. What's happening on the high time frame anyways? Okay, nice, looking good. Actually, let me tell you guys, let me share with you something. You know what, if the market is able to break below and give me an entry, I swear this is an A plus setup for my strategy. It will be an A plus setup for my strategy. Despite the results, the outcomes of the trade, it will be an A plus setup. It will definitely be an A plus. Positive, big time. It will be an A plus setup. What are they doing? Okay, let's go, let's get that break. Gold, let's go. If I get if I can get a run, okay, then a pullback before the break. It will be very nice, very nice for me. So liquidity sweep, all this was sweeping the liquidity. All that was sweeping the liquidity, nothing much. Okay. Okay. This is where I'm waiting for the break. If I can be looking for the sales, waiting for the break. Oh man, let me use small letters. Waiting for that break. Boom. that break happens, I'm going I'll be going massive move right there. I'll be going, I swear, without even looking back. There's nothing I always like, especially when a setup follows all my rules, and the only thing I just have to do is execute that trade. When the trade has all my rules, boom, just execute. Okay, let me let me try to let me ask ChatGPT my rules before I enter a trade. uh, ChatGPT, what am I? Let me ask ChatGPT. What am I? What's my? What am I entering? What am I trade entry steps? Okay, before executing a trade. Before executing a trade. Okay. Yeah, I'm asking ChatGPT. Mm, mm, mm. Let's see. Let's see what it says. This is what ChatGPT says. Before I execute a trade, based on trading rules you've built over the past few weeks. Oh man, your A plus entry checklist before executing a trade is okay. Determine the higher time frame bias. Check. Higher time frame bias. Check. Okay. We are selling. I'll just read my rules step by step. Higher time frame bias. We are selling. Okay. Everyone agrees, even me. Okay. Looking good. Okay. What next? Guys, drop a like on the stream, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Okay, what next? What next? Let's see. Oh man, my network is so weird. Okay, what next? Previous higher time frame candle must be green for the buys, red for the sells. It's a check. We have our previous candle red, so and the momentum is going down. Nice. Check. Avoid the trading directly into a major support and resistance. Where is the support and resistance on the higher time frame? Yeah, let's see. Where is it? It's very far. As you can see, the support is very far, so we have this range to sell the market. Agree? Check. check. Those are my rules for entry. Okay, that's a check right there. Okay, what else? What else? What else? What else? Uh, what else? Let's see. Mm. Okay, what else? Wait for a valid 5 minutes. Setup 5 minutes. That's where I'm looking for a market structure. 5 minutes market structure. Okay. Mm, On the 5 minute market structure, what are we looking for? A valid 5-minute market structure shift. Let's check on the 5-minute if you have a valid market structure shift. Oh man, it's there. We have it. We have it right there. So clear, right there. Let me hope you're able to see it. A 5-minute market structure shift is right there. Okay. What else? What else? Those are my rules, guys. Before I enter a trade, I'm trying to show you that it's only good you follow your rules. Nothing else matters. Okay. So you can execute your strategy like a robot. Okay, like a robot. What else? Hmm. A 5-minute break of structure alone is not enough. That's a weird rule right there. I don't even remember if I'm the one who defined it. It doesn't make sense. If the 5-minute creates a new break of structure that invalidates your setup, uh, for this setup to be invalid, this market had to come and break above this high right there. That's the yellow line right there. That's my high. Okay. What else? Go to, okay, then we drop to the 1-minute, and this is where we are. Okay. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to see something. If I get my entry here, will I put my stop loss there? That's too much. That's too much, man. Oh my god, that's too much. I will need to get a good entry. That's a big stop loss right there. If I'm enter after that break, I need to get a good entry. Anyways, I continue. Let's continue. What next? Wait for a 1-minute market structure shift in the direction of the trade. Where is the market structure shift? Market structure shift will only happen if I get this break of this line here, of which it hasn't happened. It hasn't happened yet. Okay. So waiting. It will only happen here after the break of this blue line. So we are at this step here. Wait for a 1-minute market structure shift. A 1-minute market structure shift. It hasn't happened yet. So this is where I need to wait. This is where I need to wait. Okay. What will be the next step after I get a market structure shift? Here, right here. I'm going to be waiting for a pullback. The pullback will be like this. This will be the pullback, and boom, I'll be entering after an engulfing candlestick. I'll be entering after an engulfing candlestick. Okay. Okay. If we can get that pullback before the break, it will be a nice, so that I can be able to reduce my stop loss somewhere to the protected high right there. Hello there. Who is it? Mm, Patel. Patel, how are you doing? Welcome to the stream. Guys, subscribe and like the stream. Please like the stream. I think we've had over like 100. We have had over 100 views, but we have no likes, man. What's happening? What's happening, man? Let's get a like. Let's get a like. Patel, how are you doing? And you're welcome to the stream. Welcome. And how is trading? How is trading taking you guys? It's a Thursday. Let's see if you can get entries. Oh, oh man, it's what's the time? What's the time? What's the time? It's 5. Can you imagine? I wake up so early, man. It's 5. I'm on the charts at 5, trying to make it. Okay, I'm trying to make it. 5 a.m. I'm on the charts. Oh man. gbpjpy still in that small consolidation. BTC about to do it. BTC is about to do it. I'll go back to gold. I'll go back to gold. Let's see. Oh man, it's happening. This is going to be massive. This is going to be a massive entry. This is going to be a massive entry right there. I think I will reduce my stop loss to somewhere there. If I'm to enter this trade, let's see. Okay, not really bad. It won't be so bad. Notification has been triggered. It's happening. Let's see if we can get that break. Let's see if we can get that break low. I'll delete this alert right there. Boom, bada bam, boom. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Oh my god, this is awesome. Stop loss will be the issue here, nothing else. Stop loss will be the issue. Because we have this above here. We have this right there. That level right there. Oh man. And we have this small high right there. So I think I'll put my stop loss above there. Okay, after I get that entry, stop loss will be above there. let me remove this. it's about to go down, and I'll be targeting around 4 somewhere around there. It's about to go down. It's about to go down, 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 down. Let's have it. Let's have it. Okay, that break has happened. Let's see what the market does now. Let's see what the market does now. Let's have it. Let's have it. Okay. Oh man, somewhere around there. Point of interest. Okay. Let's have it. Let's have it. Okay, okay, okay. All right, all right. Okay, that's a nice move right there. Exactly there. And boom, we are in. Whatever happens, happens. All right, all right, all right. Right. Okay, we are in the trade. I think I put my stop loss somewhere there. Okay. All right. Boom. And I'm in the cells. I'm in the cells. This is a set and forget. This is a set and forget. Okay, just like that. Okay, okay, okay. Now I think I can remove all this because we've already executed the trade. Already executed the trade. Just like that. Boom, barabam, boom, barabam, boom. Okay. Okay, now we let the market do what it does best. We let the market do what it does best right there. Okay. Without tampering with the market whatsoever. Whatsoever. Okay. Actually, I want for would be somewhere where would it be? Somewhere around there. Okay. Just like that. And I'm in, guys. I'm in. I'm in. When the big moment happens, where is everyone? Oh man. Fingers crossed, and we are in the trade. This is I want for that's one for R. Okay. Now time to allow the market to do what it does. Okay, somewhere around there. My take profit is is somewhere. Let's see, 40, 42. Oh, where am I? My take profit is somewhere around there. Somewhere around there. I guess so. Yeah, that's where my take profit is. Okay, let's see, let's have it. All right. Time to allow the market to do what it does best. That's a massive rejection right there. That's a massive rejection right there. But yeah, it's a set and forget. This was a massive rejection. Let's hope this could be just some minor. Oh man. Let's hope this is just some minor uh, pullback. Expecting the market to break below that. Let's see if that happens. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Let's see if that happens. If the market will be able to break below. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's a good color right there. Okay. Let's hope this is just some small pullback and we can go for that take profit, because market will not just move straight to your take profit. Boom. It will make those series of lower lows, lower highs. If it's to continue selling, that's if. Okay. Yeah. This is now where your patience is tested. Are you going to exit your trade because of fear? Are you going to micromanage your trade? This is where your patience is tested. This is where your patience is tested after you've entered that trade. If subscribe and like the stream if you're new to my channel. Okay. Boom, bada bam, boom. I'm in this sell trade. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. whatever happens, it's okay. Okay, whatever happens, it's okay. Either market it's take profit or stop loss, as long as I've followed my strategy, that's what matters. That's what matters. That's what matters most. The fact that you followed your strategy. Okay, everything else is secondary. Okay, come on. Let's see the market. Let's see the market break below that small support. Let's see if it will be able to break below. If it breaks below, there will be high chances for the TP to get hit. Okay, there will be high chance for that TP to be hit. Okay. Okay, looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Let's go. Oh man, what is the market doing? Just break below, man. Just break below. What are you doing? Oh my god. This is so weird. Just break. So massive. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, come on man. Just break below that level. Oh wow. Weird. Weird shit. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. We just need a break. A break below. Okay. Just need a break below. Right there. These candlesticks are kind of not clear. Why? Why? What could be the issues? What could be the issues? I think there it's much clear. Oh man, what's wrong with the market? Sellers are not strong enough. For some reason, they are kind of slow, no momentum, kind of slow somehow. I don't know why. Need a massive big candle to close below that level right there. Oh my god. This is the level I want to be broken, but man, shit is not happening. Shit is not happening. Okay, that's good. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's happening on the higher time frame? looking good, looking good, looking good, looking good. But let's see, let's see. Oh man, just broke below on it to do that weird movement. That's a very very big candle right there. Oh wow, that's a massive, massive, big bullish candle right there. There's always high chances for a big engulfing candle to be followed by red candles with some kind of a massive pullback. But let's see what's happening. Let's see what happens. But that was a nice break. That was a nice break. Let's see if the market will continue to sell. The buy momentum is kind of in on the small time frame, as you can see. The buy momentum is there. Obviously, if market could come back and break below this hammer, it would be a nice one. Currently, buyers are showing momentum. Not a good thing, not a good thing. Oh, guys, welcome. How are you doing? I'm in a gold sale. Okay, let's see how it works out. Okay, mm, let's see what happens. Oh man, let's see if the market is able to break below here. Uh, will the market be able to break below there? Let's see. Let's see. This is where your patience is definitely tested. Alright. Be presenting. Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it. Okay, drop. Let's see, drop it. Okay, buyers at that level right there. What? What's trying to open? Cancel the scan. Drivers. HP. Yes. Close. Oh man, that's a massive bullish candle right there. Oh my god. Hopefully this doesn't turn out to be so bad. Oh my god. Buyers are strongly along this level. I don't know why. This is going to be bad. Oh man. Come on, man. I wish it does this. Boom, bada bam, boom, then break. That would be nice. But what the market is doing now, man, I don't like it at all. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. I swear, I don't like it. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. Come on, gold. Just sell. What are you doing? Oh my god. Boom. Tapped into. It hasn't even tapped into this FBG below here. We'll check on this 5 minutes. Oh man, that's a massive bullish candle. It can get you worried big time. Big time. I wish it just retests this level, then boom, sells off. But nothing to do. The market will do what the market does. Nothing to do about it. Market will do what market wants to do. It was a good sniper entry, but what's happening now, I don't like any bit of it. Remember to subscribe and turn post notifications on. Let's see if market goes into our favor. Let's see if market goes to my favor. Okay, nothing to do about the market. Market will always do what the market does. Okay. I was like half in good profits, but now see what's happening. Back at break even. Can you imagine? That's so bad. Big time bad. This is where your patience is tested. I'm a set and forget trader, and yeah, whatever happens, we move. We move. Either trade hits, stop loss, or take profits. There's no third option. There is no third option. And the way the buyers are just so massive, it's kind of weird. It's so weird how buyers are so strong when they come in. So weird. If this trade hits take profit, oh man, I'm going to be very good. This week will be a nice one. If this trade hits take profit, because this week I think I've had one win, probably two losses, maybe. I'm not so sure. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens with this trade. But it's not looking good at all. Not looking good. Let's see other pairs. What's happening? Because gold is acting weird, big time. Nothing good on USD. gbpjpy is still in that small consolidation. There's no momentum. There's no momentum at all. I was expecting for BTC to break below, break this my level right here, but it is also having no momentum right now. It's only gold, and gold is acting up for me, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Let's see what happens. Oh man, uh, if we can get that break of the trend line, probably this level right here, it would be a nice one. It would be a nice one. But what I'm seeing right now, oh man, not looking good. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my God. If I can see something like a break, retest, boom, that would be very, very nice. That would be very nice. Oh, it will be very nice. But I'm not liking what gold is doing right now. I don't like it. When buyers come into the market, boom, just shooting up. So weird, man. Why? Why is gold so weird? Just break below. Come on, man. I think it was early what? Early June or something. Yeah, I would be getting good trades which would be running massively. Now look at that green candle. Come on. Ah, Actually, this is no longer 1 to 4, somewhere around 1 to 3. Oh man, what is gold doing? What is gold doing? I don't like what I'm seeing. Like, seriously. Why? I don't like what I'm seeing. Oh man, just break below. What's going on with gold? Gold is so weird now. Oh man, just break below. Oh my god, this is so bad. My God, this is bad, 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 bad. The way it's failing to break that trend line. Oh my God, so weird. That green candle there is a bad sign right there. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, it's okay. Let's see what the market does. I think, I don't know. Should I stay live or just, uh, I don't know if I should stay live or in the stream because I want to first do a few things. I'll keep on watching this market. I see what we have. But yeah, that's how gold is going. Eh, gold is still moving so weirdly. But yeah, that's how it's moving so far. Let's see how it will end. Mm, I'll be going off for now. Okay.